How to check your Roblox password. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to check your Roblox password, then it is very important for you to have it saved somewhere first. So if you have saved your password in Google Manager, then go ahead and open your preferred browser and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for passwords and autofill. Tap on it and then tap on the Google Password Manager option you see there. And now in here you will be able to see all your saved passwords. So if you have previously saved your Roblox password in here, then tap on the search bar and search for Roblox and you will see the option for roblox.com. Tap on it and you will then be required to enter your Face ID or fingerprint in order to unlock the web. So go ahead and enter your biometrics, and in the interface that you will then be led to, you will be able to see your password, your display name, your username, etc. So this was about how you can check your Roblox password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.